Here we have 1991 Topps Baseball. You get 15 cards and a stick of bubble gum. Curious to see what the bubble gum looks like. This should be in the front here. Not that bad. Really not that bad. I'm not gonna try it though. But Billy Spires took the hit. That's what the cards look like. Old school design. Currently the 2026 Topps is doing a throwback to the 91. So check that out if you haven't. So to continue, we got Mark Parent, Pete Smith, Ron Robinson, Andres Thomas, Mark Eichhorn, Dave Justice. There you are. This is a second-year card of his. Mike Dunn, Chris Carpenter, Bill Wegman, Craig Lefferts, Otis Nixon, high kick right there. His teammate Spike Owen, Ernie Witt, and last but not least here, Mark Guthrie. Thank you for watching.